Hey everyone, what's going on? My name is Evan. Welcome back to Cryo Clean Restoration. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today we're going to be cleaning this already beautiful 2007 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. What's definitely not beautiful is its underbelly. Over the years, this thing has built up a layer of road tar, debris, oil, and more. Normally this is something we would never address because conventional methods of using acid, thinners, and other chemical agents just A, takes too much time, and B, takes a serious toll on your health. So we took some time to sit down and think about the perfect solution. We want to save time, save your health, and save the environment. It's 2021. It's something we all should care about. So if you haven't already guessed by looking us up on Instagram and Facebook at CCR Blasting, then it's time for me to tell you. Dry ice. Yes, dry ice. The thing we all saw in middle school and or high school, depending on where you went to school. Except this is a little bit more extreme. Alright, enough talk, more show. I'm sure you want to see what I'm talking about. I know I want to show you what I'm talking about. It's definitely one of the most satisfying things that I've ever seen and done, and I hope you all enjoy.